Hi, welcome to Market Conversations. Today I'm going to be talking about Sundial, but before I do that, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. And if you like Sundial, please go ahead and give me a like below. And if you haven't already subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month. So let's make it happen. I'm here to grow my accounts as much as you guys want to as well. So want to talk about Sundial. Ticker symbol is SNDL. So Sundial has not really moved anywhere. And I currently have 6,200 shares. Okay, I got it around 26 cents. And I have been holding for a while now. So guys, we have to be patient with these kind of stocks. Penny stocks that doesn't really move all that much unless there's some big catalyst. Look at Gevo. I bought Gevo last year when it was $1 and I sold in November. Well, that's because I had to sell, but it would have taken me from August to now to have made a profit. So patience is key to Sundial. If we look at the monthly chart, we clearly see it is consolidating between 65 cents and 74 cents. It's having a hard time breaking through that resistance of 75 cents. We did try to break above and it went to 79 cents, but it couldn't hold and it dropped back down. So right now it's in this range right here, consolidating. We take a look at the 3 months charts. If you see here, it was consolidating for a while between 44 cents and then 55 cents before breaking up again to this range. I do believe it's going to take some time before we can see $1. Possibly this year. I mean, there's just so much good news. Sundial Growers is debt-free. The news that came out the other day was that they unveiled plans for share offering of up to $50 million of its shares, but they haven't given the price yet. So we're still waiting on that. Right now, it's just a patience game. Let's take a look at their website. If you already don't know, Sundial has 3 facilities. Let's take a look. They have in Old Alberta. This is their flagship facility, and it's primarily focused on growing craft cannabis at scale for the Canadian markets. It says by late 2020, the old facility is expected to produce approximately 60 million grams of cannabis annually. The next one, which is their original facility, is in Rocky View, Alberta. And then the last one is in Merritt, British Columbia. The recent news that came out was that they launched premium concentrates products under its Top Leaf brand. We made a strategic decision to produce these premiums products based on demand for solventless, flavorful, pure, and potent cannabis concentrates from a growing group of consumers. Our control of the entire manufacturing process from cultivation to extraction enables us to deliver premium quality products on a consistent basis. Adding bubble hash and other advanced concentrates to our product portfolio will expand Sundial's share of this rapidly expanding market segment. Sundial announced that it had entered into a license agreement with Simply Solventless Concentrates for the processing and manufacturing of a suite of solventless cannabis concentrates products by Sundial in its Rocky View facility using SSC's intellectual property. The agreement will enable Sundial to utilize its Rocky View assets while enhancing its focus on producing premium inhalables. December 21st was when they announced that they are debt-free. The CEO said, while many cannabis companies have significant debt burdens, Sundial is proud to announce that we are now debt-free. In February 2020, the global pandemic was just emerging. Sundial was running out of cash 2 quarters after its IPO, and we were in breach of covenants under the terms of our senior secured credit facility. Through a combination of asset sales, debt for equity swaps, capital raises, and cash repayments, we have eliminated $227 million in debt this year. Our financial restructuring is now complete, enabling us to bring greater focus to what really matters, delighting consumers. The last time they did an offering was back in August. If you're thinking about starting a position in Sundial, now would actually be a good time because it is down 1.33% and it is consolidating. And if you believe that Sundial will go up in the company, why not just start a small position? And you can either always average up or average down. I hear people all the time, they say, wait for the dip, but when the dip actually happens, they are scared to get in. There is a dip. The dip is 1%. They also have options that you can trade. Well, this week is almost over. So if you were to look at the January 29th, for a strike price of 1, it'll be $6. And then February, it'll be $10, which isn't bad at all. If we look at the IV is over 200%. I usually look for stock for IVs of 100% because I like selling options instead of buying options. If we take a look, for these, I like to go further out. So like, for instance, July. If you were to sell a July option with a strike price of 1, you can receive $60. So instead of paying $60, you can receive $6. But here's the catch. The catch is you have to put up the collateral. So with a strike price of 1, you would have to put up $100 to get the 60 back. But the $60 will be given to you once you sell this. And the break-even price here would be $40 because you're getting $60 upfront. And if the strike price is 1, that's a break-even point of $40. What this is saying is if the stock price, if Sundial is at or below 1, you would have to buy 100 shares at $1. If the stock price is above 1 at the expiration date, on the expiration dates, it expires worthless. Right now, what do, guys? We wait. We wait for the price to go up. We buy it and we hold on to it. I mean, I can easily sell it at 70 cents right now, but I'm not going to because I see a lot of growth potential with Sundial. It needs to break $1 and then it needs to break $2. So my price target for this year is $2, guys. What do you guys think? Do you think Sundial will go to $2? Let me know in the comments below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe if you reached this far. Thanks again.